Ardot Parojinog was discovered unconscious and unresponsive inside his jail cell at 6 o'clock a.m. last September 4. Responding medical personnel from the City Health Office of Ozamiz City, responding medical personnel from the City Health Office conducted medical evaluation on Ardot Parojinog with initial findings of cardiopulmonary arrest secondary to cardiovascular disease. Accordingly, the family of Ardot Parojinog did not request for an autopsy on Ardot, knowing full well the health condition of the deceased. But our investigation is continuing, okay? Any kind of findings, we will be able to evaluate.